Ever had your umbrella snap in the wind? Yeah, me too this time. But instead of tossing it out or buying a new one, I fixed it with a 3D printer in under 5 minutes. No fancy parts, no complicated design, just a simple model anyone can do. Let me show you how in 3 steps. Step 1. Measure the broken part carefully and write down all the required dimensions. Things will be easier if you have a caliper. Step 2. Open Fusion 360 and start a new sketch. For this part, it's just 2 circles with some required diameters. Then let's extrude the cap and the body. And finally, add the required thread onto the body. Here's the final part I took from the future. They look exactly the same. Now, it's time to print it. Step 3, the last step. Let's open the exported STL model file in Prusa Slicer. Here I use 3 layers for the surface and 50% of infill. If you are quick, you can even finish the whole process in less than 5 minutes. Now I will let the printer to do the job. When I come back from a coffee break, and it's done. It feels much stronger than the original part. This is one of the first times I've used the 3D printing to solve a real-world problem, and honestly, designing the part was way easier than I thought. I'm surprised that it fits perfectly.